In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Zoho People and access your employee portal. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can get to your dashboard quickly and confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the official Zoho People page at https://www.zoho.com/people. Take a moment to confirm the address is correct to ensure you're on the legitimate site. On the top right corner of the page, click the Login button. This will take you to the sign-in options. Depending on how your organization has set up access, you may see choices like Admin and Employee. If you're prompted, choose Employee Login to proceed to your employee portal. This ensures you're directed to the right workspace with the tools and permissions meant for you. Next, enter your registered email address and the password provided by your organization. Type them carefully to avoid typos, especially if your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If your company uses a single sign-on system, you may see a familiar branded login screen. Just continue with your usual organization-provided credentials. If multi-factor authentication is enabled on your account, you'll be asked for a verification code. This code might be sent to your device via text or generated by an authenticator app, depending on your company's security settings. Enter the code promptly, as many codes expire after a short time. This extra step helps keep your account secure. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Zoho People dashboard. Here, you'll find key sections that organize your daily tasks. My Space is your personal hub, where you might see announcements, upcoming events, or quick links. Team gives you insights into your immediate team members and can help with coordination or checking team schedules. Organization provides broader company information, such as org charts or department details. Leave Tracker is where you can view your leave balance and check past or upcoming time-off requests. Attendance shows your check-in and check-out details, along with your daily and monthly attendance records. Onboarding is where new hires can complete assigned forms, read policies, and track onboarding tasks provided by HR. That's all you need to access your portal. By starting at the Zoho People page, selecting Login, choosing Employee when prompted, entering your credentials, completing any required authentication, and landing on your dashboard, you're ready to navigate your workday. Keep your login details secure, and you'll be able to return to these sections whenever you need them.